bit of what they call a dark place, and I thought the best way to write is in music. To be myself, I don't always get it right. It's like a war that never ends. Who's gonna win this fight? Good is so good, it's a vision of light, but the bad is so bad, it's a ghost in the night. These angels and demons are close on my back. These teardrops from heaven are closer than that. And it feels like I'm trying to take a piece of me. Feels like I'm trying to heal the hurt. Wish these angels and demons finally get off my back. This is called Bad As You Are. I want you to hear the words of this. Now, this is how I felt when I wrote this. You ready, Andy? You ready, voice now? You're my angel, you're my devil, you're my lover, you're my vice. So beautiful and when I'm sleeping with the where did my brain go? Thinking with my heart. You're falling on your evil twin, and it's trying to take over this love. And I'm caught up in between, and I can't make out which one you are. As bad as you are, like poison, you're no good to my heart. But I need you, girl, as bad as you are. You got me crippled, you broke my defenses, and I keep coming back to you as bad as you are. Like poison, you're no good to my heart. And I need you, girl, as bad as you are. You got me crippled.